Obviously, I haven't set it up yet, but this is not a Surface Duo review. There's absolutely no prohibition against me setting it up. I just wanted to get to the unboxing as fast as possible. I'm Rene Ritchie, and what you want out of me right now is a hard target unbox of every Apple Watch Series 6, Apple Watch SE, and Apple Watch Band in a 4-mile radius. Well, you're gonna get it right now. Sponsored by Ting. We're gonna start with the Apple Watch SE, which is Apple's first mid-range Apple Watch. And I'll just pull the plastic off here. This is totally fresh. I did not pre-unbox this. You are experiencing at the same time I am. And we have Apple Watch here. On the back it says space gray aluminum case, charcoal sport loop. And we have 2 flanges on the back. Go for flange 1, go for flange 2. And the package is opening. Inside, we have the band. Apple packages them separately now because you can literally build your own Apple Watch online through the Apple Watch Style Chooser. Then we have the Apple Watch itself. On the front of the packaging, Apple Watch. On the back, all this Apple Watch inside. Watch band first. And I really like this about Apple packaging because, sure, it's fun to go get the Wing Chun knives out of storage, but if you don't have to, if you can unbox it without any extra tools, that's just a benefit. Apple Watch. Inside the package, we have instructions, we have tips, and we have the sport loop. Little protector right here. Now, the Apple Watch SE proper. Inside the box, we have the little pamphlet designed by Apple in California with your prerequisite pamphlets, everything you need to know. No stickers, so you flick it like Flossie Carter. You have the charging cable. It's a little bit more powerful, a little bit more magnetic than standard Qi, but it's what lets the watch charge just a little bit faster than standard Qi. Then you have the pièce de résistance, the Apple Watch SE itself. This one in space gray. And it is identical in style to the new modern look of Apple Watch, the one that started with the Apple Watch 4. Now we have a couple other bands to check out real quick. Cypress Green Solo Loop. And the Solo Loops are one of the new bands that Apple has introduced this year. They're silicone, and I keep saying they're like giant rubber bands because there's only one part. You just stretch them over your hand and then they snap back into place. Theory being, you don't have to worry about clasping them or buckling them or doing anything at all. And in this one, same packaging as always, but again, only one piece. And this is actually a really nice looking color. It looks almost like the midnight green on the iPhone 11 Pro. And it is super stretchy. Next up, we have the Black Leather Link. Leather Link is another one of the new bands that Apple introduced this year. It replaces the leather loop. Instead of wrapping all the way around, it sort of just magnetically seals onto itself in one really easy step. This time you see the more traditional 2-side layout. And again, really, really nice looking color. You have the dark charcoal on the outside and more of a blush leather on the inside. And now the real pièce de la résistance, the Apple Watch Series 6. Again, fresh in package, mint in the box. And it is product red. You can see by the red writing on the front and on the back. Unlatch side 1, unlatch side 2. Flanges up. Open. And here we have bright red inside. Almost neon red. Red from that Seinfeld episode where Kramer couldn't sleep red, but it looks really hot. Product red sport band. Seen this before, but we're going to open it anyway. Traditional sport loop with both sides, but also the smaller version of one side. And these are actually great because Apple is making their new family setup system so that you can give Apple Watches to your kids and manage them from your phones. And a lot of people ask what sort of band you can get for kids. And the sport loop, especially with the smaller of the 2 band sides, makes a pretty great watch strap for kids fairly young. I think my godkids started wearing them when they were 8 or 9, and it fit them pretty well. Apple Watch Series 6 in product red. Again, we have designed by Apple in California, this time with a red tab. And it tells you it's product red, which means part of the money you pay for the product goes to supporting the causes of the product red organization. Once again, you do a very quick sticker check. Flick them like Flossie. Inside another charger. This is the aluminum version, so it has the plastic instead of the stainless steel charger, but exact same deal. And as you can see, there's no 5-watt charger in the package. Apple says it's to combat e-waste. So if you have plenty of them already, you don't need one. If you don't have one though, you'll either have to plug it into your computer to charge or get one from Apple or a third party. Product red case, because everything here is perfectly on brand. And here we have the product red aluminum Apple Watch Series 6, including the new blood oxygen sensors on the back, the 4 LEDs and the 4 diodes. And we'll go first with the product red band. And I've been waiting for the Apple Watch to go a little bit Apple chromatic for years. I mean, we've had variations of space gray, space black, and the silver finishes, the white, the gray ceramics, and this is the first time we've gotten product red on an Apple Watch, and it's sort of everything I've ever hoped for. I mean, you can debate the merits of glossy, like sheen, like this versus matte, but in person it looks very nice and very Canadian. I take off my Series 5, rocking the original Hermes cuff. Strap on the Series 6. And there you have it. Really, really nice look. Now we'll give the new Solo band a try. I'm going to go with the Apple Watch SE just because I think the green and black looks a little bit better than the green and red, which might be a little bit too much Christmas for this time of year. I mean, I know we got pumpkin spice already, but 2020 is going both too slow and too fast, and I'm not going to contribute towards that. And here's the SE with the band, and you're just supposed to be able to stretch it and put it right on. And yeah, that goes right on. It's a snug fit, not too snug. You can obviously stretch it, but it works really, really well. And here you have what I can only imagine is the Mkbhd Signature Red on Black edition. It looks really, really nice. And yeah, that just hooks right on. Yeah, and it looks really good. It's got all the sort of segmentation, the articulation of the leather loop, but doesn't go quite as far, and I think I like it quite a lot. The dial is still haptic like it was with the previous version. Side button still every bit as clicky. The display is supposed to be 1.5 times brighter in the always on mode, but that's not set up yet. Now, obviously the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE were just announced yesterday. They just arrived today, so I have not yet had time to put them through their paces, but I'm gonna go into full-on review mode starting now, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell so you don't miss it when that goes live. Now, the Apple Watch SE makes the more modern Apple Watch design more affordable than ever, but if you still need to save just a little bit of extra money when you get it, check out Ting. Especially if you're at work or at home or just working from home right now with tons of Wi-Fi, and there's simply no need to spend any extra dollars for any more data than you're actually using. Same for talk, same for text, not with Ting. Ting offers coverage on Verizon and T-Mobile, so no matter where you are or if and when you go, you'll have more service options in more places, and it works with almost any phone. The iPhone, absolutely, but the Google Pixel, the Samsung Galaxy, all the slabs, all the folds, anything you can put a SIM card into. The average Ting bill is just $23 a month, and that can be a lot of extra cash to put towards your next iPhone and your next Apple Watch. With no contracts, no commitments, and since you're watching this video, you can get a $25 service credit to try them out. Bring your own phone, bring your own number if you want to. Just go to rene.ting.com and see how much you can save and get $25 off. Seriously, go to rene.ting.com or click the link in the description and start saving with Ting. And clicking on the link really helps out this channel. To learn more about everything Apple's announcing this fall, click the playlist above, and I'm going to go through everything you need to know so you know what to buy and what to skip. Just click the link above, and I'll see you in the next video.